We're ready.
Hi guys, my name is Mikael Torpegaard. Today we are going to do a forehand and specifically forehand turn focus drill. And I want you to quickly introduce yourself and tell me your favorite tennis player. So we'll start here.
My name is Elijah Friedmeyer. My favorite tennis player is Carlos Alcaraz.
Nice.
My name is Samantha Brody, and my favorite tennis player is Ayla Tomljanovic.
Fantastic.
Hi, my name is Quinn, and my favorite tennis player is Coco Gauff.
Awesome.
Hi, my name is Evan Ross, and my favorite tennis player is Arena Sabalenka.
Awesome. All right, great guys. So today's character word is effort, and how could you use effort in a forehand specific drill?
By getting to the ball and not just like it's easy to get to. Don't just just sit there and say that you're not going to get it or something.
Great answer.
By actually moving your feet and by not just looking around. And
Awesome,
actually
good
pay
answers.
attention to the ball.
Awesome. So for today's warm-up drill, Sammy, if you could help me out, we're going to do make and move forehand edition, and it is going to look like this, right? You are going to catch the ball with your non-dominant hand while turning your dominant hand as we're hitting a forehand, turning early, and we're going to catch it at the top. And which foot would you be stepping with? Correct. So it's going to look like this, guys. Good. And then you toss it back to me. Good. One more time. Fantastic. And then after she catches, we're going to switch positions and you are going to toss it to your partner, all right? So why don't you guys team up and you guys team up, and so one of you guys can come over here. You can each get a ball. If you want to start feeding, or tossing. So guys, yeah, that's fine. So Sammy, come over here. And the feeder's over here, right? And we're just going to get started right here. Go ahead. Soft toss underhand. There you go. That was good. Soft toss underhand. Yep. Good. Oh, yep. All good. Coming your way. Good. Good job, guys. Looking good. Getting ready with that turn. All right. So now, what's that 5, Sammy? So now you want to switch. So you get the feet there. So Sammy, stay here. It doesn't matter. You don't have to switch positions. That's all good. Good job. Good job. Fantastic. You guys are switching. Good job. Yes. All right. One more. Great job. So I'll take that ball. Thank you. Take that one too, and if we could bring it over to the line again, that would be great. Thank you. All right, good job with the warm-up. So for the skill instruction part, we are going to take a look at step 1, 2, and 3. So for the forehand, the first thing we want to be doing is turning. The second one is stepping, right? And the third one is following through, putting it over. So it is going to look like this, where there is step 1, 2, 3. So it's going to look like this. All right, I'll show you that one more time. Okay, so what we want to be focusing on in today's drill for skill and instruction is that early turn part of the forehand. So who can tell me what step that is? Where the early turn happens, yes?
1.
Correct, good job. So what we're going to do is we're going to start on the service line. We're each going to be in the same partners we just did it with. And we're going to be one here, one here, one here, one here. And we are just going to rally up very in control with our forehands to each other, right? So because it's a control drill, we want to limit the amount of power we put on it, and we want to help each other out, okay? And so the effort part of it is footwork, correct? Like both of you said. So grab your rackets, let's get to it. All right, so everybody here, ball set. Yep. So you guys want to jump on that side there? focusing on that early turn part of the forehand, being in control. Good job. Make sure we're recovering so that we can hit forehands, guys. Good job, Sammy. So remember, it's forehand on that one if you can get around and you have time to it. Right? Here we go. Coming? Yes, there you go. Good move. Really try to turn early. Coming? Good. Good job, girls. Over here. Good job being in control. Go ahead and feed it in. That was a good early turn. Well done. Okay. Feed it back in. Couple more, guys. Little less pace over here, guys. Good make. All right, last rally. I got you. All right, bring it back in, guys. Right over here, please. Okay, so now we are going to do a game called Alley Rally. And what basically happens there is that we are going to be 2 players, 2 alleys, right? So me and my partner is going to be rallying down this alley. And the point is to start here behind the service line. Your partner will do the same. And if I'm righty here, right, my forehand's in towards the alley. And on the other side, where would you be standing? Outside of the alley. Good job. So you are going to play a game to 5. And control is still important, right? And the way you get control is the early turn on the forehand. So that's still what we're going to be working on. So let's stay in the same pairs. And basically the way we would use, the way we would use the skill instruction part here and early turn is we can do the same thing, right? Facing like this, step 1, step 2, swing, right? Same thing. So let's pair up in the same pairs. And let's get out there. And again, game to 5. And you guys are going to be feeding it in. Here we go. Everybody's got a ball. All right, let's get to it. Move this one out of yours. So if you miss, you feed another one in. Remember your scores. Good job, girls. Good early turn. Well done, Sammy. Good. We're good? We want to just play out the game in the alley there, Sonny, so no tap and bouncing. On the forehand side, right? Nice shot. So you could be standing on this side of the single one here. Good. That was way better, way better. Great shot. Here we go. There you go, much better. And we want to be hitting as many forehands as possible over here, right? Standing on this side. Here we go. One more. Remember recovery there, effort with the feet? Yes, yes, good job. Great early turn. Good. Well done. Yes, nice save. Last one. Way better. All right. Super, super. Last rally, guys. Last rally right here. So remember, we want to start back here. Yes, good job. Here we go. Good. Yes, that was great early turn. All good. All right, guys, bring it in. Back to the line here, please. Everybody are back here over the line. So, great job. So who can tell me what we learned today? Correct? Correct? Yeah?
Control.
Control. Control. When you're working on these technical things, control is important, right? It's important that we can help each other out, teamwork with a partner. That's also part of the effort, right? So, well, great job today, and yeah, thank you for coming. Let's finish off with a high five here. Good job. There we go. Well done. Fantastic.